Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Retno Anggi. I'm from class A23.2. On this occasion, I will tell one of the myths that are in my place of residence from Riau province, namely the myth of Mandi Balimau in Riau, a symbol of the spread of the Islamic archipelago in Riau. There are many forms of welcoming the month of Ramadan as a great guest by Muslims. One form of welcome has even become a tradition every year, such as the tradition of Mandi Balimau in the community of Kuntuh, Kampar Regency, Riau Province. Literally, Mandi Balimau means bathing in oranges. According to Mahsus, one of Kuntuh's community leaders, in the past, people used limes or oranges as a tool to clean the body and head, and as a fragrance. Limau, which in Indonesian means is orange. The oranges used by the Kuntuh community for bathing are kasturi oranges, small oranges that are now often used as ornamental plants. The people of Kuntuh often call them limau kocia. It is small oranges because of their small shape, or limau ugang mati because oranges are used for the dead, and because they smell so good that they are often used to bathe corpses by the people of Kuntuh. So, this Mandi tradition itself is a form of gratitude and celebration of the coming of the month of Ramadan. The Mandi Balimau tradition is full of historical value, especially in relation to how Islam was preached in the Kuntuh area as one of the first areas in Riau to be penetrated by Islam. This is because this tradition is believed to have existed for centuries since Islam first arrived in Indonesia. In addition, this tradition is also related to the teachings of Islam. This is because the Mandi Balimau tradition in the Kuntuh community is believed to be based on one of the Prophet's traditions. This makes Mandi Balimau related to the phenomenon of living hadith is because of its connection with the history of Islamization in the archipelago in general and in Riau in particular. In this case, the tradition of Mandi Balimau as a living hadith phenomenon is used as historical evidence related to Islamization and its early processes in the archipelago in general and in Riau in particular. The tradition of Mandi Balimau to welcome the month of Ramadan in Kuntuh is thought to date back to the 13th century AD. After Islam was adopted by the local community, the event was originally also used to broadcast Islam in the hope that people would be more eager to incorporate Islamic values into their daily lives. According to Mahsus, in the early days of Islam in Kuntuh, the local community was still not fully accustomed to and understood Islamic teachings such as fasting. So the Mandi Balimau even became a very effective means of socializing or inviting people to carry out Islamic teachings. So in addition to a form of joy with the arrival of the month of Ramadan, the Mandi Balimau event was originally also intended to broadcast the teachings of Islam. With this intention, the Mandi Balimau event was then held in the Subayang River along the Kuntuh village through the community settlements, with the hope that the whole community would feel the excitement and become interested in the festivities of welcoming the month of Ramadan, which the local community more often called the month of Poso, which means is the month of fasting, so that the whole community would be more excited and aware of the arrival of the great month. That way, the whole community can witness and feel excitement and festivities. This is because initially the people of Kuntul lived and settled on the banks of the Subayang River because the river was the main route of community transport at that time. The existence of Islamic propagation through existing traditions, in this case Mandi Balimau, is an indication of the close relationship between local culture in the archipelago and the teachings of Islam itself, giving birth to a typical Nusantara Islam. In addition, this phenomenon by Gus Dur is one proof that Islam in the archipelago was spread in a peaceful way through a culture approach, so that Muslims in various regions of the archipelago with various cultures in each region can easily accept the teachings of Islam, including Riau province. Okay, that's all the mythical stories of the Mandi Balimau tradition from the province of Riau. Hopefully this story can add to our knowledge. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum and toodles.